P.S presents How to Go to Sleep Early. Do you have trouble going to sleep early? Do you stay up super late? If you find yourself answering yes to those questions, be sure to watch this video. In this video, I'll teach you how to form the habit of going to sleep early. 1. Pamper yourself. Give yourself something to look forward to when you go to sleep. Think cozy pajamas and pulling up covers. Super cozy, and the thought of curling up on your bed. 2. Program your thermostat. Have you ever noticed that when you step out of a cold shower, you feel sleepy? That's because when your body temperature declines, your body prepares itself to get ready for sleep. You sleep best when it's 60 through 67 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. Chill out with relaxing music. Listen to some music right before you go to bed. It helps your body relax and prepare for sleep. Older adults who listen to 45 minutes of relaxing music before bed fall asleep faster, sleep longer, and wake up less during the night, and rate their nights more restful than when they don't listen to music, says sleepfoundation.org. Download some relaxing music and play it just before you go to bed. It'll help you, and it'll also give you something to look forward to. 4. Take a book to read. Ever notice that when you finish a book, a real paper book, you feel sleepy? Take a book to read when you're going to sleep. No, not an electronic one. The blue light they emit can keep you up at night. I'd recommend using a basic Kindle for a good night's sleep. 5. Make the change gradual. If you go to sleep by 11 p.m., don't decide today, I'm going to go to sleep by 9 p.m. No, do it gradually. For example, you can go to bed 15 minutes before 9 p.m. Remember, everything takes time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!